Hey guys, this is Thomas. Today I will talk about how to focus with the folding Polaroid SLR cameras, like this one. So there are a bunch of different models, as you would have guessed. There are these older models that have only manual focus, and you have newer models, SX-70, but also the SLR-680, which has autofocus as well. For now, let's start with the manual focus SX-70. So this camera was actually the very first Polaroid integral film camera that was produced in the 1970s. And you focus with this SLR camera, you have a focus wheel on the right side of the camera, and you look through the viewfinder, just like this. And then you turn the focus wheel until you see your subject in focus. So it's an SLR camera that actually means that you get the picture that you see in your viewfinder. Very simple. The cameras, some of them have a split screen viewfinder, others don't have them. You'd have to check which is your model. They work a little bit differently, but not very much. The autofocus versions like the SX-70 autofocus or also the SLR-680, you have autofocus with the camera. That means the camera will send out ultrasound waves, and then the first thing that comes in the way will return the waves, tell the camera where to focus, and the camera will choose the lens accordingly and takes the picture. So if you look through the camera like this, you push the button, you hear how the camera changes the focus, like this. And you look through it, you press the button, camera takes the picture, should be in focus. If for some reason you want to use manual focus, you can override the autofocus of the camera by pressing here, and then you can manually focus like with all other SX-70 cameras, just like this. So you look through the viewfinder, use the focus wheel, and focus on your picture. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions about how to focus with your Polaroid camera, if it's an SLR camera or any other Polaroid camera, please leave your question in the comments. I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and yeah, see you next time.